If you drive every day like I do, then you've probably noticed how expensive fuel has become in the United States lately. Whether you're commuting to work, driving across town, or taking longer road trips, fuel costs add up fast. That's exactly why I started looking into FuelSync Pro. At first, I honestly thought it was just another car gadget making big claims. But after learning more about it and trying it myself, I realized the idea behind it is actually very simple. FuelSync Pro is a compact plug-in device designed to support smarter driving and better fuel efficiency. You simply plug it into your vehicle's compatible port, and it starts working automatically while you drive. There's no difficult installation, no apps to download, and no complicated setup process. What I liked immediately was how easy everything felt. I plugged it in within seconds and didn't have to mess with any settings afterward. It's made for everyday drivers, not just people who know a lot about cars. After using it during normal daily driving, I noticed the driving experience felt smoother, especially during acceleration and stop-and-go traffic. The throttle response seemed more balanced, and the engine felt less strained while driving around the city. Now of course, every vehicle is different, and driving habits also matter. But FuelSync Pro is designed to help optimize fuel flow and support better engine efficiency, which may help reduce unnecessary fuel waste over time. And honestly, in the US, where many people spend hours driving every week, even small improvements in efficiency can make a real difference over time. Another thing I appreciated is the design. The device is compact, lightweight, and looks modern inside the vehicle. It doesn't feel bulky or distracting. Once it's plugged in, you barely notice it's there. Before trying it myself, I also looked through customer reviews online. A lot of drivers talked about how simple it was to use and how they liked the smoother driving feel. Some people mentioned they noticed better day-to-day driving comfort, especially during long commutes. And I think that's what makes FuelSync Pro appealing. It's not complicated. You don't need tools. You don't need mechanical experience. You just plug it in and continue driving normally. Today, everyone is trying to save money where they can, especially with rising fuel prices and daily travel costs. So if there's a small device that may help support smarter fuel usage and a smoother driving experience, I think it's definitely worth checking out. If you want to learn more about FuelSync Pro or see the details for yourself, you can check the link below this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.